Okay, 12th characteristics of successful people is they always say yes. So in any situation comes into their life or anything where the situation demands that they have to take any action, they will 99.9 percentage they will say yes. Why? Because yes is full of life, yes is full of opportunity, yes is we can learn new things when we start saying yes to the situation when compared to no. See, some of the people, I mean, they will suggest we should be saying no in the situations, and we should learn to say no. Yes, it is good. It is good to say no when we are grown so much that to manage our time and effort, we should start saying no. Till that time, we should say yes. We should learn to say yes to our boss, to our business partner, to our customer, to our kids, to our wife, and many such places. I mean, we should say yes because moment will start saying yes, the new door will open, the new opportunity will come, and with this one yes saying attitude, you will learn new things, which when you will say no, all such opportunities will be lost. And this is what happening with the unsuccessful people. They will say no and they will not grow. Their opportunity will go to someone else, and this is the key difference with this one of the difference. And the main difference, I will say that the people who is having mentality to succeed in their life, they will always be ready to do work, they will always say yes. I will come with another characteristics. Till then, bye, keep watching my videos. Bye.